Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you a quick little update. This is the 1932 Ford Hot Rod Fiberglass body, and probably never seen one like this before. So what we've done obviously is we've stood it up on its firewall, and what we want to do is we wanted to make the bottom of this car look just as nice as the outside. So in earlier videos we were sharing with you how the frame was coming along, and we have the gloss black frame, which is really well done. The suspension with features of the vermilion red. So having the chassis look so nice with the chrome and the gloss black, the last thing we wanted to do is leave this bottom the way our client purchased it. So it was an abandoned project, and whoever was, before they set the body on the frame, whoever was assembling it beforehand, they just used a rocker guard type of material or a bed liner type material and sprayed the whole bottom of the floor, and then they did the back wheel wells, and we just didn't like that look. It looked kind of dirty and gritty, and they're trying to hide some of the fiberglass flaws. So what we did is we basically sanded everything all down. We applied body smoother in the roughest spots, and then performed body work and sanded off all of that, all of the gritty stuff. So now we're back to smooth. And then they applied a 2-part black epoxy to seal everything. Then they sanded it all out with primer, and now this is a nice base to have for the bottom. So this is just flashing off, and then the next thing they're going to do is they'll do some fine sanding and prepping, and then this is going to be vermilion red, which is going to match the outside of the car. So this is the best way to do it. Looks kind of old-fashioned kind of thing, or old school, having it standing up on its end. But we find that seems to work the best. So the next video that you see, this will all be painted vermilion red base coat and clear coat. And then once that's done, then we'll put it back on the dolly and continue. We'll mask it all off, and then we'll continue with the body work and get ready to paint the exterior of it. So this is the 1932 Ford Hot Rod Coupe. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.